Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a magnifier shortcut in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up our shortcut, we have to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here and visibility enhancements. Then at the bottom of the list we have magnifier. And magnifier shortcut is here. Tap this little option here, and here we have a few options. For example, as of right now, we have selected these options. So on the bottom right corner, we have a little accessibility button. No other accessibility option is in this little shortcut, so it will automatically select this one. Alternatively, we have other options. For example, press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds, or press side and volume up buttons. We can choose what we like. We can choose all of them, or we can just leave it as this one here. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like, subscribe, have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.